Good morning, this is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker. In this video, we're going to see a 3-story house and lot in Greenwoods Executive Village in Taytay, Rizal. It has 8 bedrooms, a lot area of 134 square meters, a floor area of 275 square meters. Now let's go see it.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's end. We need tonight. I run away.
So this is the main gate, and you have here a small garden. And here we have a 2 to 3 car garage. So may mga designs din siya sa gilid. The theme of the house is modern minimalistic. So dito meron tayong maid's bathroom and maid's room. So decent naman yung space ng maid's bedroom. Hindi siya yung maliit talaga. So we are here at the back, and dito yung dirty kitchen. So this countertop is made from ceramic tiles. Then may faucet ka dito and window. Then you can also have here your laundry area, since may drainage naman and faucet dito. Now let's go back to the main door. So yung flooring here dito sa car garage ay made from ceramic tiles din. 60 by 60 ceramic, 40 by 40 ceramic tiles. So here is the main door, and here is the ground floor. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung house is made from white colors. White, brown, and silver yung color scheme ng bahay. And the design is modern minimalistic. So mapapansin nyo dito yung puro white, very clean design. And yung living room is very spacious. And you also have here yung mga windows for natural light. Now this is the kitchen. So you have a lot of counter spaces here, and you also have lights dito. So this is made from granite, mga countertops. Yeah. So we have here the sink, and you have a lot of cabinets. And yung mga cabinets merong glass design. Another view of the ground floor. So a lot of spaces for the kitchen, a lot of counter spaces, a lot of drawers, so hindi kayo maubusan ng lalagyan. Now let's see the bathroom here sa ground floor. we have a bathroom here. This is not a powder room. This is a bathroom. And yung design is modern. Meron ka 40 by 60 ceramic tiles sa walls. And you have here the shower and may exhaust cabinet. This will be the design for all of the bathrooms. A modern design. Now, katabi niya is a bedroom. This is what we call the senior's room, since it's located on the ground floor para accessible siya. So you have a lot of cabinet here, drawers, cabinets, and may provision for aircon, that is window type, and ito yung kaninang window para sa dirty kitchen. Now you can also make this a storage room if you want. Now let's go to the second floor. Oh, meron ka rin dito ang small storage space sa ilalim ng stairs. Now let's go to the second floor. We are here on the second floor, and the stairs are made from wood and metal. Now, for the second floor, we have here 4 bedrooms. Let's go see this one first. For all of the bedrooms, para-parehong design na white and minimalistic, and the floorings are made from ceramic tiles na wooden yung itsura. And all of the bedrooms have built-in cabinets and drawers. This one has its own bathroom. And we also have here a window, since wala siyang exhaust fan here. The design is modern and meron na sariling heater yung shower. Of course, we also have the faucet, sink, and water closet for all of the bathrooms, and the bidet. The rooms are much bigger in person compared to video. So if you're really interested, I advise to schedule for a tripping para makita niyo personally to appreciate it. Now let's go to the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. This one has its own windows, window type aircon provision, and built-in cabinets. For all bedrooms naman, the same, all built-in cabinets. And yung ceiling, para drop ceiling yung design niya. So it's very spacious. Again, you have to see it to appreciate it kasi hindi nabibigyan ng justice through video lang. But I do make these videos to give you an idea of how the house looks like. More or less, of course. Now this is the bathroom. So this is shared for the 2 bedrooms. The design also is modern, and meron kang tiles sa wall. Wala rin siyang exhaust fan, kaya may window din dun. Now let's go to the third bedroom of the second floor. Now this one is slightly smaller than the first 2 na pinakita ko sa second floor, but it's still spacious for a bedroom. You have your sliding window for air and natural light, and built-in cabinets. Yung mga handles ng built-in cabinets, yung design nila is classy na silver na texture. Of course, you can also have it painted sa color na gusto nyo. Once you buy the house, of course. Now, let's go to the master's bedroom. Look how big the master's bedroom is. I'll go here to the corner. Makita niyo kung gaano kalaki yung master's bedroom. So you have a lot of windows here. And you also have the balcony here sa master's bedroom. Now this is the walk-in closet. You have ample spaces for your clothes and other wearables. Now we have here the master's bathroom. So we have a glass partition here for the shower. And we have, of course, the water closet, the sink and the faucet, and the bidet. And tile yung buong bathroom. But we also don't have an exhaust fan here for the master's bathroom. But you have a window there. Let's go see the balcony. This is the balcony. It's just beside the bathroom. The subdivision is fairly quiet. It's peaceful here. Let's go back inside. Now let's go to the third floor. A lot of surprises for this house. We also have a living space. It's very minimalistic. Now let's go to the third floor. We are now on the third floor. So before we go to this room, we'll check out first the 6th bedroom. Let's go first on this bedroom. This one is a big space bedroom. Again, it has white walls, white colors, all white everything. Now, you also have the cabinets and drawers here and windows. Now let's go to the 7th bedroom. This is the 7th bedroom. Now before we go to the last room, let's see first the bathroom. Now this bathroom is now communal for all of the bedrooms here on the 3rd floor. Sorry. So this is the design. It's modern again with tiles on the walls and walang exhaust fan, but you have also again a window here. And as I've said before, lahat ng shower ay may heater. Now, let's go to the last bedroom. Now, this bedroom can actually be another living room because it's really big. But if you're the one who likes yung wall nyo is glass lahat, or a major portion of it is glass, now this might be the bedroom for you. The same goes for here. Meron kang drop ceiling design na may windows for natural light, window type aircon provision, cabinets, drawers. For inquiries, viewings, or if you want to market your property through us, just contact the numbers below. Also, please like and subscribe. This is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker of RizalProperties.ph, finding your properties in Rizal and Pasig.